mean, the majority of reporting from global communities tends to center on 4 topics: war, poverty, disaster, and disease. The global press model really exists to say that the world is much bigger than that, and as journalists, it's our responsibility to tell full, comprehensive stories about the world's least covered places. It's going to be health and environment and education and things that really are part of a local person's everyday life. We have reporters in more than 40 communities in over 24 countries around the world. Our journalists are 99% people of color and 100% female. Our audience is growing, and I think what that's really telling us is that there's a real fatigue with how international journalism is currently being covered. Just today, we launched the Global Press Style Guide, and the point of the Global Press Style Guide is to bring a new level of dignity and precision to international journalism. So the guide advocates for using words that precisely define local communities and always imbue dignity to local sources that we're covering. So for example, the guide bars use of words like ethnic, not because it's an inherently bad word, but because there's a more precise option available in literally every instance.
The project that I work with inside Global Voices is called Reference Stories, and we try to do exactly that, like to listen to the voices of communities that have been speaking in many ways but have not always been listened. So we go to those communities and we try to bring media analysis tools so that they can see how they are being represented in the media, and it allows you, so you can see what others are talking about and decide if you want to talk about that or do you want to talk about something else that is not being covered. And the way that I see it is like a collaboration with the communities to say like what they want to talk about, what is important, and how we can work together to bring their issues and their voices to a more global perspective.